Hello, this quick video is about Quack, which is basically DuckDB acting more or less like a client server. It was released, I think, 3 days ago. And today, basically, people start creating arrow drivers, which is quite interesting. So here I create this script that just start DuckDB in the background, like as a server. So I have this SQL, and as you can see here, I put OneLake path, and I load Quack, and then I load Delta Exporter as an extension I made just to export Delta metadata. And then you put a password, and the idea is you connect to, because here it's in my laptop, so to the local host and use the same password. To be clear, this is not like production ready or recommended, but it's maybe interesting. So let me see. Did they started? Actually, I wasn't sure. Yeah, I put here script. Okay, so it's a script just like to close it here. It's a didn't start, so let's start it. Okay, the first he created the catalog using DuckDB itself, and then we'll go to Python. So this driver was released just this morning, I guess, and the same. I connect to localhost and then the same password. Let's just click run. Before I do that, as you can see, it's fresh. There is no data. Obviously here it's OneLake in Fabric. So let's go back here, click run. I hope. Yeah, it connect. It creates schema, and then I create this view that generate 1 million records. Because the data is written into OneLake, so there is like data transfer from my laptop to OneLake, and it's different continent, so there is a bit of lag. Yeah, it should be. It used to be like 40 seconds, but obviously wherever you make a demo like the. Anyway, I hope it will take less than 2 minutes because currently, okay, it took 55 seconds. That's all right. So here I'm doing the count, and it's 100 million. Sorry, no, 1 million. And now I'm calling the Delta export, which will generate the metadata. So let's go back to OneLake. Okay, good sign. It did create the. Oh, here we go. Let's see maybe the file section first. Yeah, so this one was written just as you can see, like right now. The delta was exported, and all it does is just like the latest snapshot. It's a hack. Hopefully, one day DuckLake do the right thing and just export iceberg, so we'll get for free. In OneLake, automatically you get an iceberg. So if you write iceberg, you get delta. If you write delta, you get iceberg. But the idea is yeah, this is the data. So it works. This is just first recorded, which is awesome. Yeah, and you can, let's do it again, clear all, run, it will insert another 1 million and so on. It's interesting, how to say, it's it's interesting because I use DuckDB always as in process. So the fact it acts now more like Postgres or SQL Server, it may open like new interesting use case, like especially if you write from, like if you have multiple writers, like using different process. Um, Still does not solve the problem. Like you need to host the server somewhere. So if you are using DuckDB and writing, just for practical reasons, still I think like the simplest way is still Iceberg. If you have an Iceberg catalog somewhere, that's still the simplest way. But still, it's interesting. The same here, it will generate a new snapshot, and let's go back here. See the file section. Let's do refresh. It should show, yeah, it generated a new snapshot and the new data. Anyway, I hope you like it, and thanks for watching. Bye.